Shiba Inu Coin is still doing amazing. Let's talk about where I think this coin could be headed very soon and just everything that's going on with it right now. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu Coin analysis. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock, check out our link down in the description below. You guys can sign up with Public. It's a great social investing network that you guys can follow some of your friends, family members, or even celebrities and see what everyone's buying, what they're selling, and of course, all of their thoughts on the current market situation. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty guys, here we are with Shiba Inu Coin now sitting at 0.0000864, up about 30% just over here the last 24 hours. This is what the chart has looked like, which is really good news in my opinion, and really surprising as well, because now we have obviously seen just a baseline level increase in volume, right? So that is a huge factor that is keeping these levels so high, right? So if we go back to like the 1 month chart, this is where we were at before, right? Shiba Inu was significantly lower just overall, right? It was very low, you know, sitting, it won't even show the level that we were at, but we were down about 4% compared to where we were before. But now, as you can see, this huge spike in price after there is support for it based on Coinbase. And now we are holding very steady at these levels. As you can see here, this is probably one of the most stable trend lines I have ever seen in any coin, stock, or any chart I've ever looked at. This is incredible stuff to see, guys. And it really makes me bullish for the future of Shiba Inu, because what this means basically is that these new price ranges are not just some big pump and dump, right? Because a lot of people were worried that because of this huge spike in price, Shiba Inu will pull back significantly and not go higher. It did pull back a little bit, but it did not pull back to levels either lower or at before where we were at, right? Because that's what a lot of people were worried at. As you can see here, this is how low it could go. You know, we'll get into some better, kind of technical analysis here on DexGuru in just a little bit. Let's talk a little bit about why it ran yesterday, and again, we'll kind of add on to my overall thesis about the coin in general. So Coinbase adds support for Shiba Inu meme coin soars. Leading cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase announced its support meme coin Shiba Inu for users. Coinbase customers can now trade Shiba Inu on Coinbase.com, as well as the company's mobile app on iOS and Android. This is obviously a huge win for the cryptocurrency. I mean, as you can tell, it has been ripping, obviously, or it ripped that one day, and now we're kind of solidifying, or kind of, I guess, stabling off for the time being. Let's keep reading a little bit more though, just so we get some more information. As you can see, Shiba Inu token confirmed this information as well. It's now officially live listed on Coinbase app. And then there's a little bit of technical analysis going on here, just a little bit about the kind of technicals of what's going on. The Shiba Inu community cheered the move, sending the cryptocurrency soaring more than 20% in the last 24 hours to the 0.000008299 level. Trading volume was 243 million at last per check on CoinMarketCap data. Absolutely incredible stuff. We can actually go back here and see if the market cap, we are at the $3.3 billion market cap now, or sorry, that was volume. We're at 2.6 billion volume now, which compared to that, actually, I believe that's an increase. 243 million was the trading volume at last check, which is really impressive stuff, guys. The fact that it has increased that much in a short period of time really just goes to show how strong this community is. Let's keep reading a little bit here. There's also the Elon Musk bump. We have this whole thing with the Floki. If you guys heard about Floki coin, I'm sure you probably have. That was another coin that ran pretty heavily. And then the rest of this just kind of talks about Dogecoin and some other random kind of things like that. Let's hop into the Shiba Army subreddit here just to take a look at the community, what's going on, how much people are holding. As you can see here, 10 billion Shiba Inu tokens that this person is holding. That is absolutely crazy. We have really some dedicated diehard Shiba Inu fans. This person has over $1,000 in Shiba Inu, which is really crazy, really impressive stuff, guys. And he says, or she says, I'm not sure who, their gender obviously, but I'm new, and thanks to Coinbase, I'm a part of the army. Let's go to the moon. Absolutely incredible stuff here, guys. And then of course some memes and all that fun kind of stuff. To the moon, baby. How many diamond hands are out there? How much Shib are you hodling? Look at this. We got up 24%. 922. Incredible stuff, guys. Just this is really, look at this little meme here where the car's drifting, obviously going really quickly towards Shiba Inu instead of Dogecoin. And that's something actually that I find really interesting, is that now what I've seen with Dogecoin is starting to fall out of relevance, and it's being replaced with Shiba Inu. Everybody was expecting like SafeMoon or Dogecoin to be kind of the reigning meme coin, to be you know, the one all be all type of coin that everybody was going to actually care about long term. But if you ask me, and this is not really a biased opinion because I don't even have that much Shiba Inu to begin with, I think that this coin is going to be the front runner of meme coins. I'm very serious about this. I think that Dogecoin is, well, pretty much in my opinion, it's irrelevant now, but it's becoming more and more relevant every day. And same with SafeMoon. Again, I think that Shiba Inu is truly, really probably one of the most relevant coins right now, and it's continuing to be. It's continuing to be listed on all these different platforms. Now that it's on Coinbase, it is more accessible than ever. The big one, obviously, that everybody is really waiting for is Robinhood. When it gets listed on Robinhood, that will be obviously a big piece of news if that happens, which there seems to be a lot of commotion on the internals of Robinhood that kind of almost confirm or maybe say a little bit that, hey, this might happen. We might get not only more cryptocurrencies listed on Robinhood, but we might get a Shiba Inu listing of Dogecoins on there in the first place. What's stopping them from listing Shiba Inu, right? That's the theory. That's kind of the whole talking point behind it. So keep an eye on that, and we'll obviously update you guys and create a video if that does happen. That'll be huge news. But overall, guys, now we are just baseline level. We have increased, right? The fundamentals or technicals of this coin have changed, because now we are listed on an exchange that has millions and millions, even almost billions of dollars being fluctuated every single day, millions of users who are buying and selling different cryptocurrencies on the platform. Coinbase is a huge platform, guys. It's the biggest cryptocurrency exchange on the market. And for the most part, there are so many people who are able to access it, right? The accessibility of this is incredible. This was the main problem with Shiba Inu to begin with, guys. Shiba Inu was not very accessible up until now. Shiba Inu, you had to go through all of these different proxies and different random websites and PancakeSwap and all these other things to get your own Shiba Inu tokens. And even then, it was really hard to store them. It was just a very complicated process. Now that it's on Coinbase, you're 1 click away, 2 clicks away from owning Shiba Inu. And most people are doing just that. They're owning Shiba Inu, they're buying it, right? And that's why we're holding so steadily at these levels, right? We're holding so high. And what's really interesting here is you could almost argue that we're starting to see a little bit of a bull flag, maybe a pennant, start to form a little bit here. And if that is the case, then of course we might see a breakout towards the upside. We're gonna keep it locked here, guys. We're doing our best. We're doing our best to keep you guys informed, keep all the information relevant, and keep everything current, because of course we know you guys want to know. We know you guys want to know all kinds of information. And also too, let's end this video off with just my price target of where I think this is going. Like I said, technical analysis shows here that we may be in for a little bit more upward momentum. That being said, it could also pattern fail and break to the downside. Again, these types of patterns after huge run-ups are very hard to call because it can go one of two ways. I've seen it happen with every stock, every coin, every single security I can think of. So be aware of that, guys. Be safe, manage your position. But if you're hodling, right? If you're waiting for this thing to go to 1 cent, then I mean, you wouldn't really have to worry about it, right? Because you're holding long term. You're not worried about the day-to-day movements of this coin. But of course, guys, that is pretty much it. Make sure to subscribe to us so you guys never miss a new news update about this coin. But that's pretty much it for Shiba Inu Coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. And you guys can get, of course, a free stock when you use that link, and it helps support the channel at the same time. So make sure to click the link, guys. But other than that, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.